In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Ramp with QuickBooks. Before we dive in, a quick note on what we're doing and why. Connecting Ramp to QuickBooks lets your expense data flow directly into your accounting, saving time and reducing manual entry errors. The process is quick, and I'll guide you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions, ideally an admin role, and that you have an active QuickBooks subscription. This connection is only available with a subscription, and while a test or trial account may show you the same screens, some connection features may be limited until you're fully subscribed. Once you're in QuickBooks, look to the top right of your screen. Next to the settings icon, you'll see an option labeled Integrations. Go ahead and click that. This area is where QuickBooks gathers approved third-party apps that work smoothly with your books, so it's the best place to start. On the Integrations page, select Find Integrations. This opens the App Discovery view. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Ramp into that search field. If you don't feel like searching, you can also scroll through the Recommendations section where Ramp may appear as a suggested app. Either approach gets you to the same place. When you see Ramp in the results, click it to open the app's details. This page gives a quick overview of how Ramp works with QuickBooks, so you can confirm you're in the right spot. From here, you'll be prompted to connect it. Just follow the on-screen prompts. The flow is designed to be straightforward, and the wording may vary slightly depending on your region and plan, but the core experience is the same. As I mentioned earlier, I'm demonstrating this from a testing environment, but the steps you're seeing are exactly how it works in a live account. If you're on a test plan, you can still walk through the same screens to get familiar with the process. When you're ready on a full subscription, the connection works the same way. A couple of quick tips as you go. Keep your QuickBooks tab open until the process finishes, and make sure you're in the correct company file before you begin, especially if you manage more than one. A stable internet connection helps ensure the prompts load quickly without timing out. And that's it. You've navigated to Integrations, searched for Ramp, opened its page, and followed the prompt to connect. Once connected, you're set up for a smoother, more efficient workflow between Ramp and QuickBooks.